arrive in style with this 2002 Toyota Camry. If you are looking for an automobile with great features, look no further. This vehicle comes with a reliable 4-cylinder engine, connected to a smooth shifting automatic transmission. Some of the top features included with this vehicle are front-wheel drive, wheel covers, steel wheels, power steering, daytime running lights, pass-through rear seat, rear bench seat, adjustable steering wheel, power windows and power door locks. If you are looking for a solid pre-owned car, this might be the one. Don't let this vehicle get away. Call or click to schedule a test drive today.